Okay, what's up, guys? It's Lloyd.
Hey, look at this.
And Etrius here.
Lloyd?
Huh? Nothing.
Oh, excuse me.
And today we will be eating some Call of Duty food.
Play music. Piano.
See, these are COD fillets. They're called fish, and we were thinking these are probably Call of Duty fish, like kind of like food. And we also saw Tombstone Pizza. You can normally get this stuff at Sam's Club. Okay. Gonna take a bite of some Call of Duty food. It tastes good. Does it taste good to you? Okay. Eating Call of Duty food. We also saw Tombstone Pizza at Sam's Club. That's where we get this. Look at this, it's steaming up. You can see it. Yeah.
Well, I found that Archie has a second home. Yes, he is. He plains of the Serengeti. But it turns out there's not much difference on the lawns of suburbia. Kill cat and bird lover who joined the study to see if her precious little Ursa
Call of Duty food.
I enjoyed them tremendously. But after downloading a day's worth of video, Yvette was appalled.
I was showing a family member what it looked like, thinking, oh, this is interesting. The next thing I saw was my cat with a bird that was injured. Study.
Oh, hot.
Disturbing as the video. Ursa's among the 44% of cats in the study who, when they are purring on their owner's love.
Call of Duty water.
I also keep my own.
A cat killed a snake.
Oh, yeah.
Extinction of at least 30 billion birds every year. Most of these cats are fed by humans that are inoculated against disease.
Put it up a little bit.
They have no predators themselves. This all makes them face sort of.
Oh, hi, guys.
With all due respect to cats, are cats
Whoa.
really bad
Up.
news? I would really say that the problem is that responsible pet owners, cats, are simply following their instinctive behaviors.
Yeah. This one right there if you want.
Not even one of them should be allowed to use the flyway. Do the other kitties in the neighborhood like your kitty? I meant the neighbors like the kitty. So do you feel more comfortable now that birds in your yard are safe?
Oh, man. That's so
Alright, so how many guns would you rate out of this food?
I mean, what? I think
Out of 10. How much do you think?
I'd say 8 or 9 out of 10.
8 or 9 out of 10?
Does
I-
that make more fish?
No. I say 9 out of 10. On the fish. Nothing.
It was good or what?
Yeah,
You're not eating very well. I want a piece of food.
2.
Yeah? Everybody had 3. What am I eating?
2.
Yes, Harold, they are. Only one star brings all 3 stars together. That's the magic of pieces.
Oh my god, that's food. I eat the tuna fish. You like it too,
Ooh.
Wow.
So what's this video about? Eating Call of Duty food? 5 Call of Duty food.
Hi guys, what's up? How you doing?
Well, guys, that's all we have for today. Eating Call Duty food. So please subscribe, give it a like, not a dislike. Peace out.